Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Today, on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday. In the daily newspaper of April the 10th, 2021. We have here in the additional 8 extra Sudokus. Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. Then we have a tectonic and number 1, tectonic and number 2, binary puzzle number 1, and a binary puzzle number 2. And I can mention the 2. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them today I will solve, and maybe the other 4 tomorrow on Sunday. But first, we will solve this baby number 2612. Yes, 2612. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. All right. So let's get started with this 3 stars Sudoku. The printed digits is a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The higher the printed digits are, the easier the Sudoku is getting solved. But you cannot tell this always. Sometimes you have a lot of pairs in the Sudoku and it will be difficult to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Which number can I pick? How about the number we have here in this big square? 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and a 2. We have a 1 and a 2 in this column, so no 1 and a 2 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 2, no 2 there, the 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers 6 and 5. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then 6 in the 3rd row, 6 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the row above, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then. How about the number 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next? So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 2. We see here the 5 and the 2 in this row. So no 5 and the 2 in those 2 boxes. The 5 and the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark. No, I don't have to mark because we see here 2. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. I cannot fill this yet and need to wait for more information. 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and an 8. That means in these 2 boxes in this row should be the numbers 1 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. same like here for those two boxes in this row for the numbers 8 and 4. Yeah, 8 and 4. Another pair. All right. Okay, let me look to another big square. How about, yeah, in this column we have 4 missing numbers. In this column, one of the missing numbers is a 1. You see here 1, so no 1 in that box. Here also a 1, so no 1 in this box. Here 1, no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1, should be there. Then 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. So the 3, 8, and the 9. 3, 8, and the 9. And I cannot fill this yet. 3, 8, and the 9. 3, 8, and the 9. No. I need to wait. How about the number 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 9 and 7. 9 and 7 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. We see here 9 and a 7 in this column and 9 and a 7 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 9 and 7 should be in these 2 boxes. We see there 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 8 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes again. That means that 1 box left in this big square. We have here 4 and 8, then 9 and 7. So this box should be reserved for the 5. Alright. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then the 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. We see here the 1 and the 3 in this row, so no 1 and the 3 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and the 3. That means the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes again. Another pair. That means that these 2 boxes in this row here we have 2 and 8. This should be the 4 and the 6 are missing. 4 and 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 8 is missing. We see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Alright. Then. How about, yeah, the 6 in this column, the 6 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 8 and 9. No, 9 we have. 8 and 2, I believe. Yes, 8 and 2 are missing. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have a 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column. So in the column between, the second column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Alright, we have a pair, 2 and a 3 in this row, 2 and a 3 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places for the 2 and the 3 should be in these two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, we see there, 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 4. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 and the 9 are missing. The 8 and the 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Alright. How about the 4 and the 7 in this column, the 4 and the 7 in the second column? So in the first column, the only two places for the 4 and the 7 should be in these two boxes as a pair, 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. That means one box left in the first column for the number 1. Now we have two boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 8, 9 and 7. How about... Let me see. 3, 5, 8, 3. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the second column. Those numbers are the 3, the 5, and the 8 are missing. 3, 5, 8, and look, we have a 3 and 8 in the first row. So no 3 and 8 in this box. The 3 and 8 goes in those two boxes, 3 and 8. So one box left for the number 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be the 5. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be an 8. Alright. 2 boxes left in this big square. 4 and a 7 we have here. The other pair should be the 9 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 and an 8, I've marked these two boxes. Now we have an 8 there, so this box cannot be an 8. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 4. Alright, now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 7. Alright, now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 9. Alright. 2 boxes left in this row. 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5 are... No, 4 and the 7 are missing. 4 and the 7. And we have a 4 there. I cannot place the 4 there, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 1. Alright, now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. Alright, now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. Alright, and the final 2 boxes of this big square. 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 9 are missing. 5 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright, is this really a 3 stars? No, I think whether it's a 1 or a 2 stars. Well, I give this a 2 stars. And I like this 3 stars Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku of today in the additional a 4 stars Sudoku. Yes, see you then. Bye bye for now.